This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
That's ours. Yep. All day long. Is that the baddest black you've ever seen? Yeah, that's the only black for sure. This is called...
This is a